My background started in helping people with diabetes. So I was working on machine vision research, helping researchers figure out new novel ways to track nerves in the back of the eye. Well, my co-founder was one of the first in the industry with a title game designer at a company called Atari. So the two of us teamed up, a guy with machine vision experience background and a guy with game design background. And what we actually pioneered was a fraud fighting tool that combats it in much the way that fraudsters will go about kind of cheating in online games. So fraudsters in games are trying to take advantage of things like how fast they can move, if they can overcome obstacles, if they can automatically farm objects in game. And what their ultimate idea and ultimate outcome they're looking to do is create some kind of money, right? So they're automatically playing these games with bots and scripts so they can farm gold in game to then sell it on a third-party website. Same applies to when you're trying to breach a big website, like a retail website, trying to get into someone's account, you can take money out, or there's other virtual economies where they're trying to abuse like auction houses online to extract some kind of monetary incentive. What we built was a solution that actually lets us increase the cost of these attacks. And what the goal is if we can raise the cost of trying to get into these accounts and into these websites, and you can actually make it more expensive than the money they can extract, you've actually won. They actually give up and go away, because now they're not making any ROI anymore. So for example, with our airline customers, it's actually competitive airlines that are making attacks. They're using scripts that go through and book a seat, and then they'll go to the checkout page. The script is doing this automatically. It'll choose a payment redirection method like Alipay or PayPal, which takes you off the website to make the transaction, and they actually never buy. And what the website does is it holds the seat momentarily while it's waiting for that return request. It's a denial of inventory. So now when you do a search for inventory from that airline, they're no longer visible at all. So it looks like that entire airline sold out for 14, 15 days in advance. And now you'll buy tickets from the competitor. So I think I'm really proud of our effort to ensure that there's a really good balance of having, Loctite security, but also the user experience is not impacted through that journey as they're trying to log into an account or trying to check out on a website. It's super critical that that user experience is not interrupted. And that extends beyond things, because we're presenting challenges to malicious traffic, that extends to things like accessibility requirements. We have a huge investment in making sure even users with accessibility needs can get through as well.